Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In case if you are new to this channel means please subscribe to our channel. Well, now in this video I am going to share you how to install Android apps or a Windows subsystem for Android in your Windows 11 based PC or laptop. So I'll show you how to do that in a step-by-step manner, and as well as this is one of the easiest method you can use to install any Android apps on your Windows 11 PC. So I'll show you step by step. So the first thing you have to do is that just to go to the settings option. So the first thing we want to install is that Windows subsystem for Android. So once we actually install the Windows subsystem for Android only, so after that we can able to install all Android apps in the Windows 11 PC. So to install the Windows subsystem for Android in an easy method, so firstly you have to go to the settings option, and here just to click on the time and language and click on the language and region option, and here is the option. So under the region, here is a country or region option. So you have to change this region. If you are actually India means just to change to the US country, because currently Windows subsystem for Android is actually supported only for the United States. So in case if you are out from United States means if you are India means you have to change the region to the United States, and after that you can easily able to install the Windows subsystem for Android through your Microsoft Store itself. You no need to download any third-party software like that. You can directly install right from the Microsoft Store itself. So just to make United States as your country or region, and once you've done that, just to close the settings option. Now just to head over into the Microsoft Store application, and here you want to search for the Windows subsystem for Android, or you want to search for the Amazon Store. You have to search for the Amazon Store, Amazon App Store. Normally if you actually search for the Amazon App Store means it will not actually shown. If you are actually selected with the India region means it will not shown. Once you actually change the settings from the region India to US means, and after that you will get the Amazon App Store. So and once you install the Amazon App Store means, and along with the Amazon App Store, the Windows subsystem for Android will also be installed. So just to click on the install option, and here it actually shows. Just to click on the tick mark and click on the download option, and click on the yes option. So this is step 1 of downloading the Amazon App Store, and the step 2 is that downloading the Windows subsystem for Android. With the help of the Windows subsystem for Android, so we are going to install all the Android apps. So this is the first step you have to do in your Windows 11 PC. Now once the download has been completed, it actually shows the open Amazon App Store. Just to click on the open Amazon App Store. Now the Windows subsystem for Android is getting ready. So I'm just to minimize this. So now once this process has been completed means we are almost ready to install any Android apps in your Windows 11 based PC or laptop. So now here comes the Amazon App Store. So now the Amazon App Store has been installed, and as well as the Windows subsystem for Android will also be installed. So just to go to the search option, and now just to search for the Windows subsystem for Android, and here it comes. Windows subsystem for Android is already installed. Just to click on that, and here it goes. You no need to. So in case if you want, you can also use the Amazon App Store by just going by just signing with your Amazon account. But in the Amazon App Store, only a limited set of apps only available. If you want to install any apps means you can't able to do that in the Amazon App Store, because only certain apps is actually supported in the Amazon App Store. But you can able to install any apps in the Windows 11 using this Windows subsystem for Android. Now once you install the Windows subsystem for Android, just to go to this developer option and just to enable this developer mode, and that's it. And after that, close this Windows subsystem for Android application. Now you want to install the another super tool. So you have to just head into the Microsoft Store and search for the tool called WSA tools. So this is a WSA tool. So this tool is one of the great tool, because using this tool you can easily able to install any Android file using the Android APK file. In before you have to install the Android apps using the manual method. You have to type the Android APK file, you have to edit the notepad file like that. But now using this WSA tool, you can easily install any Android apps by just downloading that particular APK file. So now just to download this, and after that click on the open. Now this is the second step. So you have to install the WSA tool, and the third step is that now what Android apps you want to install. So you have to download that particular Android app APK. Now just to go to the Google Chrome browser, and here you want to download the APK file of the Android app you want to install. So I am going to install the Facebook application. So for this video, just to type that Android app name with the APK. So like that, in case if you want to install Facebook means, so type Facebook space APK and you will get a some of the links. Now in the search result you have to download the APK file of the Android app. So now here is the Facebook Lite application. It's from the official Facebook site. So I'm going to download this Facebook Lite APK file. So once you click on that, and here is the download option. So after clicking on that, so I'll get the APK file now. So the third step is that, so you want to install the APK file for what Android app you need to install in the Windows 11. So once you downloaded the APK file, now in the WSA tool, just click on the install an APK. In case if you are a first time means, that you need a ADB tool that is also easily installable using a WSA tool itself. Just click on the install option. So it will automatically download the ADB. So now you want to select the folder to where to install the ADB. Just select the folder where you want. I am selecting the C drive itself. So because C drive is actually safe for installing any programs. And once the installation has been completed, you have to load the APK file. So this is the recently we have downloaded the Facebook Lite APK. Just click on that, just select that APK file and click on the load APK. And now here it comes, just click on the install option. Now it will be installed soon in your PC. And you have to just click on the allow option from the ADB debugging. So once it's done, you can easily able to install any Android apps in your Windows 11 based PC or laptop. Now here is the Facebook Lite app has been installed. So just click on the open app. Now the Facebook application has been opening. So now here comes the Facebook Lite application. So this is the Android app. So like this you can install any Android app or games in your Windows 11 based PC. And soon in our channel I'll post a separate video on so what are all the best Android apps you can install in your Windows 11 based PC or laptop. So that will be really useful for you. So because on Windows 11 we now have a lot of features. So now along with using both the Windows 11 based softwares and with the Android apps, we can able to make the best user experience on using the Windows 11 based PC or laptop. I'll soon post that video. Well, now that's it on this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel means please subscribe to our channel below, and thanks for watching this video guys.